In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off speakerphone on iPhone. So if you are using iPhone speakerphone and it is right time to disable the iPhone speakerphone whenever you are making an outgoing call or whenever you are receiving an incoming call, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off or disable iPhone speakerphone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to accessibility and then click on it. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down and go to physical and motor and then tap touch. Once you tap touch, scroll down to the bottom of the page, locate call audio routing and then click on that. Once you selected call audio routing, then you should see automatic, Bluetooth headset and speaker. Then if you have speaker turned on in your own case, go ahead and set to automatic. And here, whenever you have an incoming call on your iPhone, this is going to allow you to switch between speakerphone or use headset or normal mode while receiving calls on your iPhone. So you see, this is not on speakerphone, but I may choose to turn on the iPhone speakerphone by clicking on the speaker icon like this, or turn it off as well. But if your iPhone is set to speakerphone under the call audio routing, this is going to automatically turn on the speaker mode on your iPhone whenever you have an active call. So that you can easily disable or turn off iPhone speakerphone on your device. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.